In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your finances efficiently using QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or keeping track of personal finances, QuickBooks offers a robust set of tools to help streamline the process. Today, we'll walk through how to record a credit card payment in the system. First things first, head over to QuickBooks. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Otherwise, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, the homepage provides a comprehensive overview of your financial landscape, featuring essential insights like cash flow, expenses, and profit and loss. Understanding this layout will help you navigate the platform with ease. Now, look towards the top of the screen where you will find the New button. Clicking on this button opens a drop-down menu, giving you access to a range of transaction types and features you might need for your business activities. QuickBooks designates this button for creating new financial entries, so you'll find it quite handy for your usual accounting needs. Once the drop-down menu appears, you'll be greeted with various options such as invoices, sales receipts, and bills. For our purpose today, find and click on Pay Down Credit Card. This particular option allows you to record a payment you make on your credit card and helps keep your financial records precise. QuickBooks makes it easy to find these familiar terms, which often corresponds to specific tasks you need to perform. Selecting Pay Down Credit Card will open a new window. Here, you'll need to enter pertinent details regarding your credit card payment. This includes selecting the correct bank account from which you're making the payment, the credit card you're paying off, the payment amount, and the date of the transaction. Double-check the information you enter here to prevent any confusion later with your financial statements. Accuracy is key when managing your finances. As you smooth out these details, you might notice QuickBooks sometimes offers suggestions based on your past transactions. If you find this helpful, feel free to use these suggestions to expedite your process. On the other hand, ensure that you adjust any auto-filled information that doesn't align with your current transaction. Once everything appears correct, proceed to save the transaction. QuickBooks will update your records, reflecting this new payment, and accordingly adjust your financial overview on the homepage. Keeping your credit card payments updated is crucial in maintaining a clear understanding of your financial obligations and cash flow. QuickBooks thus provides you with seamless tools to stay on top of your bookkeeping tasks. By following these steps diligently, you can ensure that your financial management remains in good shape, allowing you to focus on the more strategic aspects of running your business. Thank you for joining today's session, and happy bookkeeping!